All right, welcome to another daily recap. Yeah, let's dive into it. I haven't looked at GU that much, actually, not at all. Ooh, ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. Um, but yeah, let's see. What is this? Hold up. So early buyers taken out. Now that follow up. Okay, we'll see. So let's dive into the daily recap. So there's not like a lot to recap, but there are some things we can go over. So hold up. Mm. Let's see. Yeah, so we know that I said I want to look for sells from this area if it is correctional. So basically, if price is fair correction on the way up, I want to look for shorts from the premium. This indicates that sellers are in control. On the way up. I want to see impulsive legs down, so that hasn't been the case yet, but it is quite correctional. So let's see what happens. You can see that price move from this area over here. I think this is a 5-minute supply zone. Yep. Ooh, that's not the highest point. There we go. So let's dive into it. I wasn't trading today. I was late and I had other stuff to do as well. So we got Asia highs, Asia lows, took this liquidity. Oh, didn't even take that. So I took this one and we got that turnaround. So let's look at this. So we got a low, a high, low, high. So bearish, bullish structure. Then we can see our early sellers over here. So actually, this is the last low that led to a high. After that, we didn't come above. Asia highs taken. And then you want to see an entry drill. So nice how we can see this slow down here, but not really a break. With those equals, I wouldn't look for an entry. And then we come above, then we get the short, and from the premium pricing, here is your entry. Now there's nothing to the left, there's no high time frame area, so that makes this trade very tricky. For me, I wouldn't trade it. As I said in my forecast, ideally come above here, but yeah, this is just in the middle of nowhere. If you take every Asia trade like this, then you're guaranteed to fail, in my opinion. And I don't like to take Asia, just Asia high. So as a how to say as a conference, I want to use it in relation or together with another conference, another area, something more significant than just Asia high on its own. But we can see that there was a nice trade, nice 5-minute break. So we got a high, low. So not a set of early sellers maybe, but this is the main leg. This is the main early sellers, and then your entry comes from here. So 7, 7, 6, 7. I'm targeting 1 to 4, 4, 3, so 4, 8, and it just hits 1 to 4. But of course, you could either take some partials here, but I would definitely say take some partials over here. And then yeah, that's it. So nice trade. Nice. It is a nice trade, but no higher time for conferences. Um, how to manage it? Well, I can see that over here. We break below again. So this is where we reduce to over here. So stop loss goes just above here. Then we break below. Come on. Break below here. What is this? Then stop loss just goes to break even. Oh, that's it. Actually, that's it. So actually very nice trade. Super clean. Like it. Perfect. Just got the high time frame area. Thing is with these recaps, usually the first couple recaps there was so much to talk about, so much to go over, but now it's with the pre-market analysis, I can keep a lot for tomorrow as well. So I still favoring longs from here. So then we come above here, and then we come to that first 50-minute area that was just before this impulse. So that's a nice area to look for trades, although there's no internal range liquidity, but it is valid. So let's look at New York then. Low. So no early sellers until, is there any early sellers? Because it is setting up very nicely. Not really. There's no early sellers over here. So no early sellers in New York, unfortunately. That's a nice set of equals again. Just like over here, but a little bit larger here. Yeah. But then if you don't use early sellers in the inducement, then you get a low, high, higher low, a higher high, and your break is there. Something like that. And then your short trade is from here. So 81, 71. So that's quite large. Just take from there. Stops graph 2.3, 2.8. And that's it. Sit short. Nice. Targeting those lows here as liquidity. You can see after we took that, you get the turnaround. So then those were the shorts. Pretty clean, pretty straightforward. Not really for me. Now the thing is, there's bullish structure as well. So we gotta look for longs. See, we got a low, a high, a higher low. And we can see that we took internal range liquidity over here. And then we can see that price actually reacts from this 5-minute order block that sits there. Now, I want to see there's like a minute. So actually, it's not that. Yeah, it is. Because yeah. Take this entire supply zone, demand zone, demand. And then you can look for longs over here. And that's not the cleanest because we don't have this is the last high that led to a new low. And then this is just internal. So if you use like this is a high that failed to make a new low, which people use that, but in my case, I would see it as more liquidity building up, so I wouldn't take this, but you can take it and then like that. Your long trade comes from here, 15, 25, stops below here, something like that. And then this is your long trade targeting those highs and even a little bit higher if you ask me. And yeah, that's basically it. And then you can see that we have this new leg from this low up to this high with the equals above. So that's a nice target. This has your liquidity, then internal range liquidity taken. You can look for longs if you don't use a supply or demand zone. And that would mean that you have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Not really any strong early buyers here. So again, not that clean, not as clean as we want it. But this was the last internal low before that liquidity that led to or internal high that led to a new low. Then we got the break. And here we should buy trade long to 62. So it will be around here. Here we go. It's a nice trade. not large stop loss, but it doesn't play out actually. So yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. There's not much to go over. Oh, actually, there's not much time to spend. Now we're building this internal range liquidity. Whoa, that this minor structure. I mean, clean it up. Got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, potential higher low. We got liquidity to target here, so this makes sense to take this now, and then maybe we can get a move or can come up here for a trade. And yeah, that's it. So I'm not gonna do GU because I gotta go. Got other stuff to do. From tomorrow we'll be on it more. So I will catch you guys for the pre-market analysis. Peace out.